Hi everyone, welcome back to Sustainable Solutions. Today I'm going to explain one of the most important papers in sustainability science, titled A Safe Operating Space for Humanity by Johan Rockström and colleagues. This paper introduces the concept of planetary boundaries, a framework that helps us understand the environmental limits we need to stay within if we want to maintain Earth's stability and ensure the survival of human civilizations. Let's break it down step by step. The article begins by explaining that for the last 10,000 years, the Earth has been in a remarkably stable state known as the Holocene. This stability has provided the ideal conditions for human development, agriculture, and civilizations to flourish. But now we are in a new epoch called Anthropocene, where human activities, especially since the Industrial Revolution, have become the primary drives of environmental changes. These changes are putting the stability of this Earth's systems at risk, and if we don't act, the consequences could be devastating. To prevent catastrophic environmental changes, the authors propose the concept of 9 planetary boundaries, key environmental thresholds that humanity must not exceed. These boundaries define the safe operating space for humanity, which ensures the Earth remains in a stable and resilient state. If we cross these boundaries, the Earth system might react unpredictably, and we could face abrupt and irreversible changes. Let's go through these 9 boundaries one by one. 1. Climate change. This refers to the amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The safe limit is 350 ppm, but today we are already at 387 ppm. 2. Biodiversity loss. We are losing species at an alarming rate normally. 1 species per million would be extinct each year. But today, we are seeing extinction rates that are 100 to 1,000 times higher. 3. Nitrogen and phosphorus cycle. Excess nitrogen and phosphorus from fertilizers disrupt ecosystems, leading to water pollution, dead zones in oceans, and other environmental harms. 4. Ocean acidification. This happens when CO2 dissolves in the ocean, making it more acidic. This threatens marine life, particularly organisms like coral and shellfish. 5. Stratospheric ozone depletion. This boundary refers to the protective ozone layers that shield us from the harmful UV rays. Although global efforts have reduced the ozone depletion, it remains a constant. 6. Freshwater use. Freshwater is essential for life, but our extraction for agriculture and industry is depleting rivers and aquifers. 7. Land use changes. Converting forests, wetlands, and grasslands into farmland or urban areas contributes to biodiversity loss and climate change. 8. Atmospheric aerosol loading. Tiny particles in the air like soot and dust affect climate and human health. However, this boundary is not yet fully quantified. 9. Chemical pollution. This includes pollutants like plastic, heavy metal, and synthetic chemicals that harm ecosystems and human life. This boundary also lacks full quantification. Now here's the worrying part. According to the authors, humanity has already exceeded 3 of these 9 boundaries. The first is climate change, where we have passed the safe level of CO2. If we continue, we risk triggering irreversible climate shifts like rising sea levels and more extreme weather. The second boundary is biodiversity loss. Species are going extinct at a rate unseen since the last mass extinction. This loss of biodiversity weakens ecosystems, making them less resilient to changes like climate impacts or pollution. The third is nitrogen cycle. Agriculture, especially through the use of synthetic fertilizers, has caused massive disruption to the nitrogen cycle. Excess nitrogen flows into rivers and oceans, causing algae blooms and dead zones that destroy marine life. The key message of the article is that all of these boundaries are interconnected. Crossing one boundary can put others at risk. For example, climate change can worsen biodiversity loss, and changes in land use can affect freshwater availability. This interconnectedness means that we can't just focus on solving one problem at a time. We need a holistic approach to sustainability. The others conclude by emphasizing the need for global cooperation and immediate action. We have the knowledge to stay within these boundaries, but it is up to us, governments, industries, and individuals to make it happen. Let's work together to ensure a safe operating space for humanity. Thank you for watching. If you found this breakdown of a safe operating space for humanity helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Sustainable Solutions. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss our next video, where we discuss more sustainability challenges and solutions.